What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode here at F-Line Garage, where I'm still working on the Mercedes because I want to get it track prepped for SCCA Time Attack Tuner 2 group. And with that said, I can't have any sort of aerodynamics or any additional body things on it. My car came with this lip, and I'm not so fond of it. Number one. Number two, I don't think SCCA will like it. So, I have the original one that came with the car, but it is loaded full of all this adhesive. So I got myself a plastic razor blade, a whole bottle of Goo Gone, a heat gun, and a lot of adhesive. So I'm going to start taking it off and then show you guys with it on. All right, so how hard can it be? So that razor blade was taking way too long, and I got nowhere in about an hour. So forget that. I went out and got myself this. Fear that. So I'm going to be using this to get off all the adhesive. I'll leave a link to this below. I just got the cheap one, not the 3M one. I feel like it's going to be good enough. So let me give it a shot. I literally was able to do this in about 20 seconds. So I think the wheel got a little smaller pretty quick. May need to buy another one, but this is pretty thick though. If you can see, like it's not thin, but it's definitely eating through this like it has no problem, and it leaves it perfect. So far this is great. I'm just gonna keep working on this to clean this up so that I can reinstall it. So I literally did the entire bottom of this thing in about 5 to 7 minutes. And I highly recommend this wheel. It does have a stop line there, and I'm well above it. So hopefully I'll be able to take that off and be able to clean up the rear trunk lid as well. So anyway, I'm just gonna clean this up just a little bit more. But yeah, check out this link down below for this wheel. It is amazing. It definitely saved my time. I honestly just have some fishing line here and some gloves that I'm going to wrap it around so I don't cut my hand. And it's been sitting out in the sun for a bit, so I'm hoping I can just kind of work at it. And break it. Yeah, great fishing line. I would probably only catch a bluegill. But I never know. I am making a little bit of progress here. I'm just going to go slower, I think. And break it again. So it's coming off. That was not supposed to happen. I definitely broke the lip. Oh man. Right here. Whoopsies. Wow. It's really on there. It's pretty cheap. There it is. Bam, naked trunk. You can see all the adhesive they used. This is exactly what I'm going to use. So I'm going to wash this up, do some IPA, and then polish these off and must install the new one. here is the OEM spoiler, trunk lip, and that is how it's going to go on. I also came prepared with my IPA mix. All right. I'm only doing this to try to make it as clean as possible when I go to adhere the body tape. So what I'm going to be using is this here, okay? I've used this before in the past on other things and it worked out really well. And I believe they had some on this back lip here and down here, all kind of the contact points. So I'm going to do something very similar. This is where the tape placement's going to be, and I'm just going to plop it on right like that and make sure it's good, because I hope it doesn't come off. Alright, I got one shot to get this right. Oh shoot. Just like that, you can screw it up. Well, it's not centered, but it's not pretty. But I don't think that's going anywhere. This stuff is amazing. So, thank you for watching. I screwed it up a little bit, but that's how we do it sometimes. It's we always learn, right? If I were to do it over again, maybe I would try to adhere just a little bit and pull the rest, but that stuff is kind of hard to get off. So anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and wait for my next video. I got something really cool and special coming in the next few days. I'll catch you guys next time.